Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 and M7 gimbals. Today, we'll explore the key features, pros and cons, and help you determine which gimbal is the best choice for your smartphone videography needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $229 United States dollars, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious creators. In contrast, the iSteady M7 comes in at $399 United States dollars, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. This significant price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and intended use. Both gimbals offer 3-axis stabilization and AI tracking, but the M7 stands out with its detachable touchscreen remote and built-in extension pole, which are not available on the M6. The M6, however, provides excellent value with its long battery life of 18 hours, compared to the M7's 12 hours. Depending on your filming style, these features could be crucial in your decision-making process. Battery life is another important factor to consider. The iSteady M6 boasts an impressive 18-hour battery life, allowing for extended shooting sessions without interruptions. On the other hand, the iSteady M7 offers 12 hours of battery life, which, while still decent, may require more frequent recharging during longer shoots. This difference could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize longer filming capabilities. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and M7 gimbals have their strengths and weaknesses. The M6 is a fantastic, budget-friendly option, while the M7 offers advanced features for professional creators. Consider your filming needs and budget before making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.